This is a 1-minute stretch for the posterior scalene demonstrated on the right side of the body with our client Kendall lying supine. The posterior scalene attaches from the TPs of C5, 6, 7 onto the second rib. It is dead center lateral, so all that it does as a joint action for the cervical spine is lateral flexion to the same side, right lateral flexion. So we will stretch it with pure left lateral flexion. The other thing we can do is, because it attaches onto the second rib, the posterior scalene can elevate the second rib, which is done when someone breathes in, so I could ask Kendall to breathe out, which would help to keep the second rib down as I do this stretch. Kendall, take a breath in and let the breath all the way out. And as she breathes out, I bring her into left lateral flexion. That is our 1-minute stretch for the posterior scalene demonstrated on the right side of the body.